Caution: always wear the protective goggles and gloves came with the printer when performing the cleaning. Should ink come in contact with your skin or eyes, use water to remove the affected area immediately. You need about 3 to 4 minutes to clean the wiper and perform the cleaning every day. Use Maintenance Washing Liquid Kit SPC 0369 and Clean Stick SPC 0527. When performing the cleaning, use Maintenance Washing Liquid Kit SPC 0369 and Cleaning Liquid Bottle Kit SPC 0137. Perform the cleaning with the media removed. Go to Maintenance, Station Maintenance, Carriage Out, Station Maintenance, and press the Enter key. The carriage slides over to the table. Open the front cover. Clean the wiper, wiper slider, and wiper bracket. Let a dropper suck up small amount of the Maintenance Washing Liquid Kit, part number SPC 0369, or Cleaning Liquid Bottle Kit, part number SPC 0137, and drip the liquid in the disposable cup. Let the clean stick absorb the maintenance solution. Never pour the remaining liquid in the cup back to the bottle. Pinch the knobs on the both edge of the wiper and slide it out. Wipe off the ink on the wiper and bracket with the maintenance solution-soaked clean stick. If you find that the clean stick is soaked up with ink, replace it to the new and continue the cleaning. Clean up the ink on the wiper slider with the maintenance solution-soaked clean stick. Pinch the both edge of the wiper and slide it in. Watch the wiper sides to insert. Once finished the cleaning, close the front cover and press the Enter key. Now the wiper is all cleaned up. Double-check your maintenance manual and operation manual as well. Perform the daily maintenance to keep the printer at its best.